Hi, I'm Tawny Griffith Raymond with the Griffith CPA firm. We are a CPA firm located in Southaven, Mississippi. One of the topics that or questions that we always get, especially for small business owners, is what's the difference between an independent contractor and an employee? If you're a business and you need some help running that business, there's different ways that you can pay someone to help you. One is independent contractor, the other is as an employee. This is a huge hot topic with the IRS right now. It's something that you really need to make sure that you get educated about so that you make the right decision from the very beginning, because it could definitely come back to bite you. An independent contractor has a different type of relationship with a business than an employee does. An independent contractor is someone who is normally in business for themselves, but that company hires that independent contractor on a job-by-job basis to come in and do some work. For instance, if you are a plumbing company and you have too much work to do on one day, you have a friend that also has a plumbing company, you can call him as his plumbing company to come in and do that job for you. You don't have to train him to know how to do plumbing. You don't have to show him where he needs to go or what type of supplies or tools, or even offer him any tools to use. He already has all that. He already has the knowledge. That's an independent contractor. An employee has a much different relationship, and there's a list of questions that as an employer or as a business owner you need to ask yourselves. If you want to get in touch with us at our website or call us, we can get you that list of questions. It's very important to look at and to answer. But basically, an employee is somebody who you have to train, who you have control over, who you have to give tools to, have to show them how to do things. But with an employee, you have to file certain tax returns. As an employer, you have to file quarterly payroll tax returns. You have to make payroll deposits. You have to issue them a W-2 at the end of the year to show how much taxes were withheld on their income tax or on their paychecks. With an independent contractor, you only need to give them a 1099 at the end of the year that says, this is how much I paid you for the whole year. There's certain forms that you need to get from them at the beginning of your relationship with them, whether you're an employer or if you're using them as an independent contractor. Employees cost a little bit more to an employer or to a business. As an employee, having an employee, you have to match the Social Security and Medicare that employee withholds on their paycheck. So it does cost a company more to have an employee. And so that's why a lot of companies want to go the independent contractor route. They just want to pay that person as an independent contractor, let them deal with their own taxes when the time comes. However, that might not be the right choice, and that's why it's a hot topic with the IRS. I'm Tawny Raymond with the Griffith CPA firm. We can be reached at www.griffithfirm.com.
If you'd like more free videos on different tax topics, you can go to www.griffithfirm.com.
And while you're at the website, you can ask for a free report about the IRS collection process.
And also, too, if you'll act now, we will give you a 1-hour meeting for free, okay, 1-hour free consultation related to tax problems. Okay, now we're not going to prepare your taxes during that 1 hour. This is looking for tax problems. If you have tax problems you need to talk about, if you're getting notices from the IRS, if you can't sleep at night, you're having fear of the IRS, then we want you to call us. The first hour is free, and during that hour we'll come to understand, help you see what the issues are, and map out a solution for you. So we hope that you'll give us a call. You can reach us at www.griffithfirm.com. I am Terry Griffith, and this is Tawny Griffith Raymond. Thanks for listening.